Oh, very exciting. I think it's great how lots of different companies have got together to try and promote science to young kids and just to explain to them what sort of careers that they can pursue once they take a science as further on in their education. I think it's a very, very good way to bring science out of the classroom and into more of a practical kind of scene. I think they've been very interested in finding out where energy actually comes from. It's something that's not always discussed, so when they come to the stand they'll have an opportunity to have a look at where the energy comes from, what we do to the energy, well, the source of energy, to get it to their homes and to get it into their cars, and how it's processed, and what we can do in the future as well. So I think the stand gives them the opportunity to have a look at how Shell is being innovative, and also have a look at how they themselves can be creative and innovative as well. So like on the stand they've had the opportunity to draw what they believe is the future in energy, and it's very interesting the sort of different skills and things that they've come up with, and when you start to question them and say, well, how will that work, what will this do, what will you achieve if you do that, they come up with some brilliant ideas. So it's just getting them thinking about how we can improve our energy. It's fair to say that at school kids do not find science and technology particularly interesting. It is very theoretical. I mean, it's very difficult as well to get away from all that theory, and when you start to apply the theory in a more practical way, I mean, even for myself, once you start applying it in a practical way and actually seeing it and visualising it, it becomes a lot more interesting and you understand the theory behind it. And this is what this gives an opportunity for kids to understand, why they're learning all this theory, what's it going to achieve. So when they actually see the outcome and the result of it, I think when they go back to the classroom they'll be able to apply what they're actually learning to what they've seen. I think that's very important. It shows that companies out there who are looking for graduates like myself or anyone else, it's important for them to show that they have an interest in the education system in general, and that they want to try and promote energy and science, because it's very important, and the sort of people we look for are people who have a science background. It's important not just for us but for other companies as well.